I can't stop this feeling deep inside of me. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. When you hold me.
Here we go, boys. Up top again. Back at it.
Everything's alright.
Yeah. Yep. Yep. I'll let you know right when we're coming up to it. That's the one, brother. That's the one we're trying to get the best hit on it, so we can get the dollar bet. Yeah, it's a big rock. We're gonna aim right at it, try and hit it with the nose, and then everyone touch it with your paddle. Don't fall out though.
Yeah. Don't sacrifice yourself for a paddle top.
Hooked on a feeling.
Forward 2 times. Forward 2 times. Right side, forward 1. Right side, forward 1. All forward 3. Yeah! Good paddle, high five. Guys paddled great. Good job. Keep going. Stop. Forward 2. One more. Yeah. Forward 2 times. One more. Bump, bump. Sorry, brother. Right side, forward 1. All forward 2 times. Guys, good job, boys. I call this is the gravy wavy train, baby. But also Collison, because of Collison Creek. Forward 2 times. Forward 1. Forward 1. Forward 1. Lean in. Yeah! Smash that one, boys. Forward 2 times. And lean in. Right side, forward 1. All forward 2 times. One more. Stop. One more. Forward 2 times. Back 1. Back 1. Back 1. Back 1. Nice. Nice job, boys. That's Buzz Boner.
Anyone swim?